Have you guys ever worried about your machine rolling itself off a cliff? Well, have I got the easiest answer for you. It's called the spring brake thingy. I actually posted my machine for sale once upon a time and listed the mods that were on it, and spring brake thingy was one of them. And a ton of people commented thinking I was like playing a joke or, oh, it's got a spring brake thingy. But guys, I kid you not, it's a real thing. Cool name. What it is a locking e-brake. Probably about the easiest install that you're ever gonna have. So like this one, for instance, goes to a razor. It's 2 torque screws, takes about 5 minutes to put on. How it works, it mounts itself to the firewall of your machine, and you engage the brake, slide the lever over, the brake sits right in there, so it just holds all the brakes on. So whether you're, like I said, on the edge of a cliff, on a hill taking a break, or even the trailering situation, I put mine on every time I load my machine. So not only is it an easy install, but it also comes with an added feature. It has a ability to drop a lock in it. So when you lock your brakes, you can take any sort of padlock and put it through there, so it's gonna engage your brakes. Obviously, you have the keys to this, so anti-theft mechanism on it too. So it's the easiest $100 you can ever spend. Honestly, get yours today. Click the link below and do yourself a favor. Get a spring brake thingy.